Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we are going to be doing a ColourPop unboxing slash haul. So I recently put a couple of orders on the ColourPop website because they had a sale running, and I cannot say no to a sale. And then when they had a couple new launches, and I was like, I need to try these out. I am obsessed with ColourPop. So if you guys are interested in seeing what it is that I picked up from ColourPop, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and keep on watching. So y'all, I wasn't playing when I told you that I got some boxes to open up and unbox with you guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are not new and you're coming back to see me, then welcome back, girl. So just a little backstory about ColourPop. So ColourPop is amazing. It has good quality makeup for really affordable prices. And if you are a ColourPop junkie like me, then you know that they're constantly launching so many things. So I try to keep on up to date with a lot of the stuff that they have, but sometimes they just launch after launch that sometimes it just takes me a little bit to catch up with them, because quite honestly it's like, man, something new every week. But I do have tons and tons of product from ColourPop. If there was going to be one brand that I would love to work with, it would be ColourPop. I just think they're so innovative, they're so fun, they're so cute, they're so affordable, they're geared toward any and everybody. You don't have to be 10, 12, 13 years old. You don't have to be 50, 40. It's everything. They have their own makeup line. They have a sister company called Fourth Ray Beauty, I believe, and that is skincare. Now they have another sister brand called Soul Body. I have a couple of those products as well, and it's amazing. They just keep getting better and better, and they're on trend, and I love them, and I am ColourPop obsessed. Quite honestly, I am. I'm not gonna lie, I love them. So let's get on to this unboxing. Do you guys like my makeup? This is my first fall makeup look for 2019. How y'all like it? It's cute, it's cute. But yes, so if you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, then go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I will do a tutorial on this look. It's really easy. I mean, anybody can do it. It's all about blending and like all that stuff. But yes, I will film that for you guys if you want to see this makeup look in a tutorial. Now let's get on. So I'm gonna grab this first little box, and quite honestly I couldn't tell you, I don't remember exactly what I bought. I sure have the emails telling me which products it is, but I don't know what box has what, so we're just gonna randomly open boxes. Now y'all know that I went to Ulta a couple weeks ago, and we went ahead and we purchased a couple of things from ColourPop there, because they are now at Ulta. Select items, not the whole line, but select items. But yes, I did get a couple things there that I was able to get my hands on and kind of feel the texture of it and see if I was gonna like it, because it was cream blush, their blush stick and their highlight stick, and they are cream products, and you know I have very oily skin, so I was really skeptical, but I kind of like the consistency of it. It doesn't seem like it's gonna like be cakey, if you know what that means. Just because I have oily skin and I just get scared that cream products are just gonna melt off my face. But nonetheless, so this is how it came. Made in LA. Love it. And then open it up, and this says, "With love from California." Oh my gosh, I want to go to their headquarters. I want to go to LA and just go and see them. But yeah, so this is how it goes. And then Let's see. Ooh, a receipt. And it always comes with a cute little like card. It says, "You're a peach." They're so cute. I always feel loved when I receive a package from them. And, oh, they're so freaking cute. So, I laugh at them. I mean, I don't want to say I laugh at them, but every time I make a, what do you call that? An order, they always send me like an additional product, and they're like, "Sorry, we're late." They always send me a "Sorry, we're late" card, and for me, they weren't late. I just was like, and this is one of their pressed powder shadows. This is a single, but I have a Z palette, so I'll just add it with all the other ones. And this is in Uptight Metallic, so let's go all over the lid. Ooh, I can see Luxe with this for fall. Yes, thank you, ColourPop. You guys are so cute. So there's that. And then this one, okay, this little package, I ordered 3 things. So the first thing that I ordered is their No Filter foundation stick. And this is in the color Dark 165 Neutral. So it is like that. I always like to smell products sometimes. So this is gonna be for my contour, because I have my actual color in their foundation stick. You know what? If you guys want to see my extensive ColourPop collection, then go ahead and comment down below and let me know if that's a video that you might want to see, because I have a ton, and I do mean a ton, of ColourPop products. So let me know if that's something that y'all want to see. But yeah, so I ordered this so that I can contour, because like I said, I got the cream blush, the cream light, and I figured why not use this for cream contour, you know? Why not? Let's just be crazy. So I got that, and then I got the Through My Eyes I Love Sarai and ColourPop collaboration, her eyeshadow palette, because it was so pretty, and I had been wanting this palette from like the moment it came out, and I didn't buy it because I was just like, should I buy it? Should I? It was just like, should I? Shouldn't I? Should I? Shouldn't I? But then they had a really big sale, and I was like, yes, I'm gonna do it. So this is how it looks. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Do you see? Do you see it? Gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. And then it comes with a mirror, so I love that. And this is for a 12-16 pan eyeshadow palette. You guys know I love all their eyeshadow palettes, so I'm excited to play around with this. I'm excited, yes. And then what I'm most excited for in this particular box is this product. So this is the Overchromatic BFF Cream Gel Liner Bundle. So this has the colors Puppy, Crossed, Electric Daisy, Prance, and Piggy Back. But yes, so woohoo! Look at these babies. It's so pretty. I'm all about a really good liner, and I have heard so much about these liners from watching 1,000,001 reviews. I've watched Juicy Jazz raves about them, Kathleen Lights raves about them, Kristen Dominique has used them, Carly Bible's used them, so yes, this is like the most exciting thing for me. I cannot wait to dip into these because I just love them. So that's that. Box number 1 down. Now let's go into the next box. Box number 2. This one just says ColourPop. Oh my gosh, I get so excited when I get a ColourPop box. Imagine if I was on their PR list. Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. And then, oh, face. So they sent me another little pressed shadow, and this is in Up and Up. So it's a green, like metallic shimmery. Did you guys see that? Oh my god, yes. It's gonna go on my Z palettes. You guys are just so cute. Anyway, so this one, the little card says resting beach face. They're so adorable. So with this one, I got quite a few other items in here. All right, so I got quite a few new palettes. I'm a palette girl. I love ColourPop's palettes. So I have been obsessed over their monochromatic eyeshadow palettes. So this is what I got. I got the Orange You Glad palette, which I'm sure for you guys this is like so like a month ago or whatever maybe, but nonetheless, I told you I can't be on the up and up with ColourPop like that because they just launch something every 2 seconds. But nonetheless, I was able to get it. Look at how pretty this palette is. My gosh, does it not scream fall vibes? Yes. Yes. Okay. So that's that. Then I got the Baby Got Peach palette. And I think this was like the last monochromatic that I know of. And this, oh my gosh, I just love these little palettes. They're so good to travel with. Look at that. So pretty. So, so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So many makeup tutorials coming your way. All right. Got that one. And the last palette I got was the Strawberry Shake palette. And you guys know I'm an eyeshadow palette girl. Oh my gosh, all the way. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like all my favorite colors right now. Probably like by far my favorite palette. Oh my gosh, yes. I don't know, they're all my favorite. I really love all of them, but like these colors call to me because I am a pink bitch. Love it. Okay. So that's that. I got a little excited there. Oh my gosh. So those are the 3 new palettes that I got in this bundle. And then I went ahead and I got 5 more gel liners. So I got the color, this is Insomniac 19/1. Oh my god. Look at that. Pink. Oh my god. On my waterline, yes. With that Strawberry Shake palette, yes. Okay. Next is Exit, which I already have this one, but you can never have too many white liners. Yes. Love, love, love that. Then I got Crossed. Oh, I got Crossed again. Interesting. This one. And then I got Electric Daisy again. I don't know about that. I'm gonna have to check my order now because I know that I ordered different liners. And then this one is This orangey kind of color. So yes, loving this. And that is the end of that box. I'm so excited. I love unboxing things. So now let's go to the last box. So this one is like my favorite of the favorite because I already know what's in here because I unboxed the other ones. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is amazing. Yet again. She has done it again. I'm obsessed with her. If you guys know who I'm talking about, then she needs no introduction, but I'm gonna introduce her anyway. It is, ta-da, the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop new collaboration in So Jaded. When I saw this palette, I knew I had to have it. I knew it, and I went and I got it. I was excited, and I love her so much. She's like half my age. No, she's 10 years younger than me, but she is so incredibly talented, and I love her so much. She is amazing. She's relatable. I dig her so much. So let's open this sucker up. All right, go on. It's so pretty. Like, I don't even want to open it, but I am. Oh man, this is so pretty. Like, so pretty. Oh my gosh. So this is how it looks. It is a pressed powder palette, but there is 2 pressed glitters, 1 Super Shock shadow, and 27 regular pressed shadows. So this is their first 32 pan like palette, which is amazing. These 2 are the pressed glitters, and this is the Super Shock shadow, and then of course the rest are just pressed powder shadows. But this is so amazingly beautiful. Like, look at that. Like, can you see it? Like, it's incredible. Like, yes. Like, it's not even doing it justice. But I ain't gonna give you no swatches because no. So yes, that's everything that I ordered from ColourPop's website. I can never go on that website because I always find something, and they're always throwing a sale. They're always launching something. I love them. I must go on their website like, I don't know, 15 times a week maybe, just to kind of check out what's happening, what's going on. But yeah, I mean, I enjoy ColourPop so very much. Like I said, I cannot stress it enough. They have affordable makeup that is great quality. They have a diverse selection of all kinds of makeup. They have cream, powders, they have everything. I can't talk like enough about them. I freaking love them. I always recommend them to so many people. If they can't find something, I always tell them, if you want to try something that's reasonably priced, that's affordable, you should go on the ColourPop website. And now that they're at Ulta, it's even better because you can go ahead and you can get their concealers, you can get some of their palettes, you can get some of their lippies, their lippy sticks, their lippy pencils, their Luxe lipsticks. They have a variety of stuff that you can get there. So, I mean, I love ColourPop. Like I said, in my eyes, they can do no wrong. But yeah, that completes this video. If you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my ColourPop packages, then please like this video, give it a thumbs up, y'all know, and of course subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified when I upload videos, which is going to be probably 2 days a week now. And yes, I mean, this was amazing. I had so much fun. I love opening new packages with you guys. I mean, if you like these type of videos, then please let me know. I'll do some more. I should be having my makeup subscriptions unboxing coming up in the next week or so. I'm kind of waiting for 2 things from Ipsy because I'm supposed to be getting my Glam Bag and my Glam Bag Plus. I already got my Boxy Luxe for this month, so I'm waiting on those 2 packages, and then I'm going to do my unboxing. And yes, thank you so much again for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support, and I will see all you beauties in my next video. Bye.